Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Welcome to the weekend, and it is already a mild start with 78 in Fort Lauderdale, 77 in Miami, and 72 in Homestead. And I will tell you that the heat is on as we head into your Friday, your Saturday, and your Sunday. As we take a live view right now from our Miami camera, you'll notice that the temperatures will be heating up, and it is certainly going to be sizzling and feeling more like summer. We're in for very mild mornings, as you can tell already, and the hottest days of the year so far will likely occur by next week, when we could be feeling like the triple digits in terms of the feels like temperatures. As I mentioned this morning, already warming up in a hurry, 80 degrees in Marathon and Key West. At least some of our inland areas are enjoying slightly comfortable temperatures. Here, 72 in Kendall, 75 in Pembroke Pines. But boy, highs are going to soar to 90 this afternoon. And county by county, in Broward County, it could feel like 100. Here in Fort Lauderdale and Dania Beach could feel like 97 in Lauderhill, and it could feel like 98 degrees in Hialeah, 97 in Kendall, and the low to mid 90s across the Keys when you factor in the humidity. So make sure that throughout the day today you are drinking plenty of water. Your kids have an extra bottle of water, because it is going to be oppressive at times, especially with the humidity. If you're headed to the beach to try and maybe hop in the ocean and beat the heat, there is a low risk of rip currents. The UV index is extreme, so you will need your sunblock, and don't forget to reapply. No alerts or advisories for boaters over the Atlantic waters or for the Florida Keys. Of course, we're excited tonight. The Marlins take on the Tampa Bay Rays, and you can watch it only on CW Miami 33. If you're headed to Lone Depot Park, it'll be warm for the first pitch at 7:10 p.m. in the low 80s. And I'm honored to serve as co-host of the IBD family event taking place at Nicholas Children's Hospital on the main campus tomorrow in the Waterfall Courtyard. So we hope to see you there, especially if you have a child or if you have family members that may have inflammatory bowel disease. And this is an event to create awareness and to bring those families together. And you know, temperatures will be hot, so if you're headed out there anywhere that you're going to be out and about this weekend, you want to make sure you're taking those necessary precautions, trying to stay in the shade, take breaks, and just stay hydrated. We're going to be even hotter next week with the low 90s, but next Wednesday and Thursday the rain chance will increase a little bit.